For sale today is a closing Kondia mill. It features an Acurite G2 2-axis CNC control with USB inputs. This machine is in real nice condition. It's just been serviced. Saddle's been taken off, table's been taken off. It's been flushed and cleaned all the oil galleys. This machine also does offer an automatic lube pump. We're going to run a little program here. It's going to be a circular. You can see the tool path in the machine. It's got real nice clear graphics in it. And anytime you can go back between DRO and the tool path. We'll take a look at the spindle here. Spindle's real nice shape. Hasn't been used much. We'll run the spindle for you. This is low gear. Brake works as it should. We'll run high gear. This here is at 2600 RPMs. Head's been serviced too, everything checked out, running at 500 RPMs. If you got any other questions about this closing Kondia mill or any other tool room equipment, you can give Brandon at Varney Machine a call. Thanks for your time.